Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today, we are going to be surprising my dad with ceramic coat on his car. Right now, I'm meeting up with my mom to go grab coffee. She only wants to grab coffee with me when she wants me to take a picture for her, so she's just pretty much using me. She's gonna help me by taking the car to Danny's at Culture Auto Spa. Danny's gonna take care of it. Hopefully, my dad loves it. Let's go. Look at this. This is all she uses me for.
I like it.
You look like Santa.
Santa, I know.
Are you excited to drop off Dad's car?
Yeah.
Guys, I've told her exactly what I'm doing to Dad's car. She doesn't get it. She thinks it's gonna be like whatever, but it's actually gonna be really good. It's gonna look like when my dad first bought the car and took it off the lot, but better. We are here. We're dropping off the car at Danny. Mom, you get to meet Danny. He's a really nice guy.
Okay. All your friends are nice.
Yeah, I've known Danny for, I think maybe a year or two now. He always takes care of my cars. I bring him business. But let's see his new.
I'm so happy. It's like everyone nice to you, and you is very nice guy, very nice person.
Thank you. Let's see his new garage.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
It looked like dance floor.
He just remodeled it.
Yeah. It looked like dance floor.
Hey Danny, she says your garage looks like a dance floor.
Hi,
morning,
Danny.
good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
That was the purpose, to make it look like a studio and a dance floor.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Yeah.
Executive treatment here.
It's not in the best condition, but I know
That's
you
how
can
I
make
love
it.
to see them, my boy. That's how I love to see them, you know, because we're going to turn this into something else right here, man. So it's going to require a full wash. We're going to do a paint correction, a polish on the paint. I think a one-step should do it on this car. It doesn't look too bad.
I see someone's doing No Shave November.
Oh, you know,
Looks
had to
good.
switch it up a little bit. It's getting a little cold, you know?
Yeah,
So.
I mean, I would grow it if I could.
Yeah. But this is going to be really nice, man. Your dad's going to love this. You're going to see the difference, man. These are the kind of situations I like working, you know, where there's a little few details we got to correct.
I know there's things like this where you're not going to be able to, like, this is just a full-blown scratch,
bullshit,
you know?
but I'll try to blend it in as much, like with a little polish.
The lighting looks so good. Like, this whole setup is like
Yeah,
really,
man,
really
it
good.
was required, you know, having some good lighting in here.
Yeah, and it's like floating.
Yeah, so this one I suspended it. Me and Lex, we suspended it, but the rest are installed on the walls, you know.
Yeah. You can see the car even in the dark. That's amazing.
Well, you see everything, man. You know, like there's no hiding things here.
If we get my car in here, you're gonna see all the
the perfections. But we got to get it back in here, man. You know, do a little treatment on it. You know, it's gonna look good, man. I'm really excited to work on this one. I know it's your dad's car. He pops up in a lot of the videos, so that's cool. You know, so I know you're following, knows this car, and knows your dad. So I think your dad's gonna be really happy, and your mom as well, right? You know.
Yeah, she drives this all the time.
Make sure they're both happy, right?
Yeah.
It's good for the car, the protection, the value. It looks amazing. It's gonna feel really soft. You're gonna be amazed how soft it's gonna be.
Oh,
Feel how bad that is?
Yeah.
It's gonna be different.
Later, it's gonna be softer than our skin, you know.
So we're gonna do a little walk around. This thing is dusted. Like, this is 6 years of abuse. 6 to 7 years of abuse.
It's okay, Pops, we got you.
You already know the hood is the #1 most exposed spot. Gets damaged, has like tree
Water
sap,
residue.
bird poo. Yeah, I mean, look at this. It's like,
Yeah, it just needs
know,
a little love, you know, a proper decontamination wash, a paint correction.
wheels are. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I don't know if the camera can pick it up because the camera usually makes everything look nice.
You know, no filters, no effects, just to show you guys, you know, what we're working with.
If you guys want anything done, go to Culture Auto Spa. Danny will take care of you. He has the best prices I have seen. He takes care of your car. You take your time.
Take care of it. It's love over here. Hey, what's up, everybody? So just checking in. So we just finished doing a full decontamination wash on the Lexus. What that means is that we strip it of any waxes, any sealants, any ceramic that it might have as well. We also do a clay bar on the paint, on the glass, you know, all the trims as well. Next gonna be a full paint correction, full polish. So we're gonna go ahead and do a polish on the paint, remove all this water residue that you see, make it brand new. But stay tuned, that's gonna be the next step, followed by the ceramic. Stay tuned, everybody. All right, so checking back in, guys. So if you can see here, we did a paint polish on this full front end. Much better condition of the paint. Pretty much bring it back to new, nice and soft, ready for the ceramic. So stay tuned. That's gonna be the next step. This thing's looking very beautiful. Alright everybody, so here we're laying the ceramic, finished doing the polish. As you can see here, at this point the ceramic is going to go ahead and protect it, make it much easier to clean. But it also gives it this beautiful shine that you can see here. It gives it a gloss. Jason and his dad are going to be very happy with the results. That's what it's about, right? For the final product. Please.
Oh, word, this is my song.
Alright, Dad, are you ready to see your car?
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's in the front?
No? We're gonna go pick it up. You guys watching? Alright, you ready to see it? Kinda got dark, but good work takes a while. He actually finished at 3 o'clock, but my phone broke, so we're coming here at this time. And I forgot, the sun goes down at 5 now, guys, so good thing in the garage you can see it. What up? This is the man, the myth, the legend.
How you doing, Pops?
Good, man. How are you?
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
I thought this was so funny. My dad didn't even realize anything until way later.
Today we worked on your beauty. Everyone loves this Lexus. I had some good feedback today all day.
Really?
They like the Lexus. Yeah, I have a big Lexus phone.
Nice. Wow.
You forgot how blue your car was, huh?
Oh, man. Maybe the garage. Oh,
It's looking good, right?
clean.
Since my dad's not familiar with ceramic coat, tell him like your whole process for the most part.
Jason told me it was 6 years that it had without a detail. So you could tell, it looked beautiful, the color. Blue always stands out good, but the paint had a lot of residue, water residue, maybe from being outside too. So we did a good decontamination wash, which is, stripping the paint, clay barring, paint correction. Then we did the ceramic, which makes it really soft. If you touch it, it's really soft.
Yeah, touch it.
Yeah, so this is a 3 to 5 year ceramic.
Look at that smile, guys. You can't fake that kind of smile. It's like a kid in a candy shop.
What it does, it makes it look really amazing. The color, it protects it from the sun and the rain as well. But it looks very nice. I really like the blue. I fell in love working
I love
on the
blue
car.
yeah.
It's beautiful, yeah.
Bro, you killed it. This thing looks better than off the lot.
Your Pops' smile was worth it. And I know you have a lot of videos online. I know they see your dad online too, man. So this is cool to do something different, like a modification's cool, but this makes your car look brand new.
But the best thing about this modification is that even if you're not into cars, a normal person loves it.
That's true, yeah. I mean, we all need this, especially in California. The sun's so aggressive.
So Dad, with this, it's soft, it's slick. Water doesn't stick to your paint anymore. You could blow dry it right off. But you do need special soap, which I'll get for you to wash your car. Because I know you like to wash your car yourself.
Yeah, it's gonna be much easier to wash it now as well.
Now we can share the same soap. Before you had to use your own. You can't use mine. Now you can use the same one.
That's right.
Man, that looks good.
He didn't tell me what he did.
Yes. That was the best thing. That was the best. When we planned it this way, that's the beautiful thing. It was probably 3 months ago. I reached out to him and was like, hey, let's do your dad's car, you know? Yeah. It was just in the works. I was working on this, pretty much our new shop
see,
here.
Isn't it awesome? Like the lights.
This is what I was working on, but I'm glad we were able to do it now. Right before Christmas, man, you know? You're like Santa in your new sled, you know?
So my dad got damaged here, and this looks so much worse before you touched it. Like from far away, you can't even see. Obviously, we get up close, but that's actual damage.
Yeah, that's actual like door damage there, like a little ding, but
it's so blue. This is way more blue than I remember.
It is, man. I like working on these colors. The ceramic looks great on these colors like this.
My friend, I'm gonna tell him to take the car to you.
Yeah, whatever.
They were talking about it.
Cool, what do you think? He did windows, he did everything. I think he did the whole damn car.
Yeah, we did the windows, we polished all your trims, like all the black trims kind of fade as well.
Yeah.
We did all that. The wheels got some sort of spray ceramic.
So you like it? Was it worth it?
Worth it, yeah.
So this was the second part of my dad's present. Thank you again, Danny.
Hey man, we're here to help out the community and make these cars look amazing, man. You look good, man. You gotta remember when you're driving that you look good.
Have fun. I hope you enjoy it.
I will.
Damn, that thing is blue. Honestly, almost looked a little bit like Bayside blue. I know Bayside blue is a little bit lighter, but oh, Danny killed it. Damn, new car. Who's this? Woo. How does it feel to have a brand new car? It's so shiny. This is how your car should look all the time.
Wow, so cool.
Touch the paint, like just
Touch the paint, yeah. So shiny and smooth.
Yeah.
Yay, he did a good
You
job.
can kind of see here. You forgot how blue Dad's car was.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thanks, Danny.
Enjoy your new car.
Thank you.
We did it. Surprised my dad with the ceramic coat. Oh my god. I am so glad that he loves it because, dude, this is a mod that anyone would enjoy. You can do it to your grandpa's car, your uncle, your friend. It's just perfect. So thank you so much, Danny, for taking care of me and now my dad. And most likely the rest of our family friends too. Definitely gonna give out all of these to all the homies. I'm really hoping I bring him business because Danny, to me, has always done a great job. On top of that, he's competitive when it comes to pricing. Like, I'm telling you, everywhere I looked, it was always $700-800 plus, and maybe they might do a good job, maybe they might not. A lot of them told me they'd only get off like 80% of the swirl marks, whereas like Danny will go out of his way to do his best, even if you're not buying his most expensive package. So thank you again, Danny. I hope my dad's reaction was good enough for you and for the rest of you guys too. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're new, this is what I like to do. I like to mess around with my car and a little bit of my dad. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Me doing this for my dad, seeing him smile, probably one of the coolest things because I've just been a disappointment to him my whole life. So, and with that being said, I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.